to remove your SIM card from POCO F7, you just simply have to take your phone and on the bottom is the SIM card slot. So you have to also get the SIM eject tool, which comes in the POCO F7 box. And now place it in, put it in the this hole, and now it should be click like that. And now take it off very carefully because it's very easy to broke. Let me show you. Oh, do it like that. And now here is your SIM card. And now you just have to take it off from the center, and basically that's all. And now you have to put your SIM slot again to the POCO F7 like that. So that's all. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel.